Check out this arcade. It's way bigger than I think any theme park arcade I've ever seen. Oh yeah, here's another song that they play all the time at Volcano Bay. Seriously, this is a very large arcade for a theme park. In fact, it's a pretty good size arcade just as an arcade by itself. I don't want to spend too much time here, so let's bounce. Oh, bing bag toss. Wow, they got 4 down to clowns. Huh. Pac-Man, another Pac-Man variation. Oh, looks like it's just Pac-Man. It's really big. I like how these are just rope lights. They don't even, they don't even try to hide them. They're just, there's all the electronics. Whoa, I have never seen a Terminator Salvation game this large. It is huge. Look at the size of this thing. It's actually a front projection screen. Very, very, very small projector. That's why it's kind of washed out. Another variation of Pac-Man, giant Pac-Man, but it's only 2-player. Lost Adventure Island. This is interesting. Oh, they have a VR experience too. $5 per play. Not too bad. Unfortunately not open. Wizard of Oz. You've seen this before. That is a look at their very impressively sized arcade here at Knott's Berry Farm.